Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we are driving from the wharf in Jamaica, Kingston Wharf, to downtown Kingston. So we are in Newport West going on to Marcus Garvey Drive. Now the Kingston Wharf is where you find the largest port in Jamaica, the Kingston Container Terminal, and basically that's where the majority of the goods that you buy in Jamaica come from, because Jamaica imports a lot of goods. So it's one of the busiest places in Jamaica, and so we're driving from the wharf to downtown Kingston, which is a very busy place as well, and it also has a lot of communities. So you have a lot of people living in the areas in this. Alright, so this is Marcus Garvey Drive, and Marcus Garvey Drive will take us into downtown Kingston. And the wharf also, well, it's the main wharf for the city of Kingston, and the city of Kingston is the largest city in Jamaica. It's also the capital of Jamaica. So we just want to point out that you have the city of Kingston, which is the largest city in Jamaica with about 1 million people, and then you have the parish of Kingston, which is the smallest parish in Jamaica that has about 90,000 people, call it 100,000 people. So I would just want to make that difference. Now, the city of Kingston includes places in the parish of Kingston and the parish of St. Andrew. So the city of Kingston is far bigger and has a lot more people than the parish of Kingston. The parish of Kingston is downtown Kingston and Port Royal. The city of Kingston includes places in the parish of St. Andrew like Halfway Tree, etc., and places in the city, in the parish of downtown Kingston. So downtown Kingston, the area, is a part of the city of Kingston, and so is Halfway Tree. Okay, and the port of Kingston, or the Kingston Wharf, it would bring in the goods for the entire city of Kingston as well as Jamaica. So it's a very busy place. Alright, so this is Marcus Garvey Drive. On the right is the Petrojam, which is the oil refinery for Jamaica. Yeah, it's a very outdated facility, but it serves its purpose. On the right is the Hard Trust NTA. I shouldn't say it's an outdated facility, but it's the oil refinery for Jamaica. Okay, on the left is the Garmex free zone, and there's a lot of talk about free zones recently. They have special tax benefits for manufacturing the goods and exporting them. On the right is the JPS Hunts Bay power plant or power station. On the left is another free zone area. On the left is Industrial Terrace. Straight ahead on the right is Nutramix. That's another government agency. As you can see, Marcus Garvey Drive is 6 lanes. It's one of the widest roads in Jamaica. And it's a very busy road, because if you want to get from the wharf to downtown Kingston, this is the road you would take. If you want to get from Portmore to downtown Kingston, this is the road. If you want to go from Halfway Tree to downtown Kingston, this is one of the main routes. So it's a very busy road, and as you can see, you have a lot of manufacturing plants and warehouses, free zones. A very busy place. A lot of people work around this area, and also you have a lot of communities to the left of Marcus Garvey Drive. To the right is the Kingston Wharf. The Kingston Harbour. So you have a lot of facilities that have docks or ports on the harbour, and this is the road that takes you to most of those facilities. Now on the right coming up is a bus park, but Downtown Municipal Transport Center, but it's not a very busy bus park. I mean, it's just the location. It was built in the wrong location. Alright, so we're now going on to, well, we're in the downtown area now, and we're going on to Harbour Street. Now, downtown Kingston is a very busy place. The only place that probably has more traffic during the day is Harbour Street. So Harbour Street is more like a shopping place. You have a lot of plazas and things. And downtown Kingston has its retail section, which is where you find all the haberdasheries, all the wholesales. And then New Kingston now is more of a business place, and it's the busiest business place in Jamaica, but the number 2 or second to New Kingston is also downtown, because downtown has its commercial area as well, where you have a lot of offices, a lot of business places. So downtown Kingston also has a very large population. There are a lot of areas, if not in downtown Kingston, nearby, and so it's a very busy place. So we're on Harbour Street, and we're now passing over King Street. And King Street is where you find the Supreme Court for Jamaica. So it's a very busy area. You also have a lot of retail stores. You have a lot of food stores. We're now passing over, I think this is Church Street. Yeah, Church Street. Now we're passing over Duke Street. Straight ahead is the Air Jamaica building. Air Jamaica was once the national airline of Jamaica. Very nice airline. I must say it's the best airline I've ever flown on or traveled on. But they closed down. But the building is still has the name Air Jamaica on it. Okay, we're now passing over East Street. And this intersection coming up now is Hanover Street, and there you can see the new head office for Grace Kennedy. And we're now passing, that's Rum Lane that we just passed. And this intersection now I think is Gold Street. Let's see, that's the Jamaica Stock Exchange on the right. Okay, this intersection is Gold Street, and Gold Street had the first electricity plant in Jamaica, well, for the city of Kingston, and it was located on Gold Street. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.